Hello bachcho, let's read the question. The question says one box containing 1 mole of helium at 7 by 3 T naught and other box containing 1 mole of polyatomic gas gamma is equal to 1.33 at T naught are placed together to attain thermal equilibrium. The final temperature becomes Tf, then Tf is equal to 9 by 13 T naught, Tf is equal to 13 by 9 T naught, Tf is equal to T naught by 2, Tf is equal to 3 by 2 T naught. So the key concept that we will be doing in this question is heat capacity of gases. सो बच्चों इस क्वेश्चन में हमें क्या बोला, हमने यहाँ पर 2 बॉक्सेस लिए. इन 1 बॉक्स वी एडेड helium gas and in another we added another polyatomic gas. अब हमने इन दोनों बॉक्सेस को थर्मल इक्विलिब्रियम में आने दिया. जो हीलियम है इसका टेम्परेचर था 7 by 3 T naught एंड polyatomic gas का टेम्परेचर था T naught. Helium is at higher temperature than polyatomic gas. So when they are set aside to attain thermal equilibrium, heat will be transferred from helium to polyatomic gas जब तक दोनों का टेम्परेचर इक्वल नहीं हो जाता, दैट इज TF. Helium we know is a monoatomic gas. बिकॉज ये मोनोएटॉमिक गैस है, इसकी जो हीट कैपेसिटी होगी एट कांस्टेंट वॉल्यूम it is given by 3 by 2R, and for the polyatomic gas we are given the value of gamma. Gamma is equal to 1.33 which can also be written as 4 by 3. अब हमें दो रिलेशनशिप्स पता हैं, दैट इज Cp minus Cv is equal to R, I label it as 1, and Cp upon Cv is equal to gamma, and gamma की वैल्यू हमें क्वेश्चन में गिवन है 4 by 3. अगर मैं इसे रीअरेंज करूं, आई गेट Cp is equal to 4Cv by 3. सो अगर मैं Cp की वैल्यू सब्सटीट्यूट कर दूं इन 1, substituting Cp in 1, I will get 4 by 3 Cv minus Cv is equal to R. This gives me Cv by 3 is equal to R. So यहाँ से मेरे पास आ गया Cv is equal to 3R, means मेरी polyatomic gas के लिए heat capacity at constant volume is 3R. अब हम देखते हैं हमारे पास जो फाइनल टेम्परेचर है वो क्या बन जाता है. नाउ आई टोल्ड यू दैट हीट विल बी ट्रांसफर्ड, मीन्स हीट लॉस्ट बाय हीलियम विल बी इक्वल टू हीट एब्जॉर्ब्ड बाय पॉलीएटॉमिक गैस. एंड जो मेरे पास हीट का फॉर्मूला आता है दैट इज Q, इट इज इक्वल टू NCV delta T. So here it will be number of moles of helium into heat capacity of helium into delta T, change in temperature for helium, is equal to number of moles of polyatomic gas into heat capacity for polyatomic gas into delta T for polyatomic gas. So here we get number of moles दोनों के 1 है, so it will be 1. Heat capacity of helium we did is 3 by 2R. Change in temperature for helium will be 7 by 3 T naught minus TF. Heat capacity for polyatomic gas will be 3R and the change in temperature will be TF minus T naught. So 3R will cancel out. We will get 7 by 3 T naught minus TF is equal to 2TF minus 2 T naught. So here we get 3TF is equal to 13T0 by 3. So हमारे पास यहाँ पे TF की वैल्यू आ जाएगी 13/9T0. So the correct answer to the question is option B, TF is equal to 13/9T0. I hope you all understood it well. Best of luck.